Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Monad's current price action and the overall crypto market situation. Even when markets seem quiet, crypto never truly slows down. In this video, I'll give you a detailed breakdown of Monad's performance, on-chain activity, market valuation, and what we can realistically expect in the coming days. No charts, no flashy visuals, just a clear and thorough analysis based purely on real data. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. Let's start by understanding how Monad is moving right now and how the broader market context is affecting small cap coins like this one. Starting with Monad itself, the coin has shown some interesting movements recently. On the USD side, it's up roughly 4% over the past 24 hours, and against Bitcoin, it's up about 3.3%. Currently, the price is sitting at 2.18 cents per coin. The total market capitalization is around $233.3 million, with a 24-hour trading volume close to $150 million. One of the most interesting factors right now is the total value locked, TVL. Despite the broader market showing volatility, Monad's TVL has reached a new all-time high of $233.5 million. This indicates strong on-chain activity and reflects significant investor interest in the ecosystem. What's particularly unique here is that the TVL almost matches the market capitalization, which is a rare scenario and speaks to the underlying strength of this coin. Even if prices fluctuate in the short term, the increasing TVL signals confidence in the network and ongoing user activity, which is always a positive sign for small-cap assets like Monad. It's worth noting that overall market activity is relatively low at the moment, and this isn't just a one-week trend. Looking back over the past 3 to 4 months, trading activity and engagement have been subdued. A lot of this can be attributed to the holiday season and the natural slowdown in investor activity as people take time off. Bitcoin dominance remains around 59.73%, which is an important level to watch. Bitcoin is currently trading near a critical price zone. A few days ago, it tested the $90,000 level, faced strong rejection, and pulled back below $88,000. Even now, the price has not committed to a clear direction, and this ongoing uncertainty continues to impact the broader market, including altcoins like Monad. To put things in perspective, a year ago, Bitcoin was trading near $100,000, and now it sits around $87,631, a difference of roughly $11,000. This kind of movement significantly affects market sentiment and the performance of smaller coins. Focusing back on Monad, the coin experienced a sharp pullback recently. Prices fell below the 2-cent mark, even testing lows around 1.7 cents. There wasn't much support below 2 cents, meaning the price could have continued free-falling, but the 1.7 cent level acted as a temporary floor, and the coin has since bounced back. This bounce has been substantial, about a 35% increase from the low point. On-chain activity has remained robust, indicating strong user engagement despite the downward pressure on the price. It's also worth noting that small-cap coins like Monad tend to be more volatile, moving faster both upward and downward, which is why these swings aren't unexpected. Another key point is that while the market valuation is relatively low, TVL and on-chain activity are strong. This discrepancy can create volatile opportunities when the market stabilizes or sees renewed interest. Currently, Monad is facing resistance around 2.2 cents. This level has previously acted as a barrier, first around December 16th, and again in the most recent sessions. If the coin breaks through this resistance, we could potentially see a retest of 2.5 cents, which represents roughly a 15–16% upside from the current price. Looking ahead, Monad's short to medium-term performance will largely depend on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin stabilizes or moves higher, small-cap coins like Monad are likely to follow. Conversely, if Bitcoin retraces to critical Fibonacci levels like 61.8% or 78.6%, downward pressure on Monad is likely. Token unlocks are also important to consider. Currently, there are no major unlocks, which is positive for short-term stability. Sudden increases in circulating supply can create selling pressure, so this factor is favorable for the coin's near-term outlook. Understanding the broader market context is essential. Trading volume is low at the moment, which means any price moves can be exaggerated. Small cap coins like Monad are particularly sensitive to these swings. Patience and careful observation are key. Aggressive moves can be risky in such conditions. It's also worth noting that low market valuation combined with high on-chain activity creates opportunities for potentially rapid movements, but it requires a disciplined, data-driven approach. Watching resistance and support levels, tracking Bitcoin's moves, and monitoring TVL trends are all crucial strategies to navigate this market successfully. So, here's the key takeaway from today's update. Monad has bounced from 1.7 cents to 2.18 cents, showing a strong short-term recovery. TVL and on-chain activity are at all-time highs, indicating sustained interest in the network. Market activity is currently low due to the holidays, but small-cap coins remain highly sensitive to price movements. Bitcoin's next move will heavily influence Monad's trajectory in the short term. Resistance at 2.2 cents is a critical level. A breakout could see a retest of 2.5 cents, offering a 16% upside. No major token unlocks exist, supporting short-term stability. Overall, while the market shows mixed signals, Monad's underlying fundamentals remain strong. Patience, careful observation, and decisions based on actual market data are crucial to navigate this period safely. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.